In this video, I will teach you about two-way lookup in Excel. Here we can see that there is some data about cells. So first we can select this cell, and here we can use a formula equal, right index bracket, and select the possible return value. This value we can select, and then comma, and write match, and then bracket, and then we can select this cell, then comma, and select the months, all months we can select like this, and then comma, and write 0 to exact match, and then bracket close, then comma, and again we can write match function match, and then bracket, and select this cell year 2020, cell this select range, and then comma, and select the years, and then comma, and then 0 for exact match, and then bracket close, and enter. So here we can see that the value are generated. We can select the here month, so they are automatically select the value of this, and here we can change also like 2023 and September. So here we can see that there is September and 2023. Here we can go to this. So this value is generated here.